when your soda ash bucket is running low, you don't need to throw out the old stuff. It actually never goes bad. You can just add to it with a ratio of about 1 cup of soda ash to 1 gallon of water. You can measure it out if you like. At this point, I can just eyeball it. I use warm water because it helps the clumps to dissolve. Before the water line is to the top, I will use my gloves to break up any remaining clumps so that the water line doesn't go over the top of my gloves. If you have never done this before, you might be wondering, how long do you soak your item? Some people say 20 minutes, an hour. As long as the bubbles have stopped coming out of the garment, I think it's probably saturated enough. And there are a couple ways that you can bring the item out of the soda ash soak. Some people will spin it and reuse the soda ash water. I have often done this, and I think it works pretty well. Right now I'm experimenting with just using hand wringing so that the item is really dripping wet. I'm wondering if I'm getting better saturation and color with the item having more soda ash in it when I'm applying the dye, but I don't have any conclusions yet. At this point, you're ready to choose your dye application method, so you can do ice dye, liquid dye, or get creative with some other kind of application. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have fun.